Hello everyone, I'm Daisy. Today we are going to dive deep, deep, deep into the ocean. Are you ready? Let's go. Shh, whoosh. Look right here. This is my friend Ollie, and he is an octopus. Can you help me count his long, wiggly arms? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! Pink. 8 arms. And look closer. See those little round dots on his arms? Those are suction cups. They go pop, pop, pop on the rocks. And they help Ollie catch his yummy, crunchy snacks. Yum, yum, yum. Now, I have a big secret about Ollie. Put your hand on your heart. Thump, 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 thump. We have one heart, right? But Ollie is a superstar. He has 3 hearts. Thump, 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 thump. Red! And guess what color his blood is? It's not red like ours. Pink. It's bright blue, just like the ocean. Oh my gosh, right? Green. Ollie also loves to play hide and seek. He is the king of hiding. If a big fish swims by, Ollie goes zap pink and changes his color to look exactly like a rock or a bumpy coral. You can't see him at all. Blue. But if a scary predator gets too close, Ollie has a superpower. He shoots out a big cloud of dark ink. Splash!
Orange.
The water gets all cloudy and Ollie zooms away like a rocket. Vroom! How does he move so fast and squeeze into tiny spaces? Because Ollie has a wiggly jiggly body with absolutely no bones. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Red! He is as soft as jelly. He can squeeze through a hole as small as a coin. So, that is my amazing, smart friend Ollie. Do you want to be an octopus with me now?
Purple.
Let's wiggle our 8 arms together. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Green.
Yay! Thank you for listening, friends. Bye-bye. next video, kids!